SolidWorks CAD software is a mechanical design automation application that lets designers quickly sketch out ideas, experiment with features and dimensions, and produce models and detailed drawings. The tutorial discusses concepts and terminology used throughout the SolidWorks application. It familiarizes you with the commonly used functions of SolidWorks. Parts are the basic building blocks in the SolidWorks software. Assemblies contain parts or other assemblies, called subassemblies. A SolidWorks model consists of 3D geometry that defines its edges, faces, and surfaces. The SolidWorks software lets you design models quickly and precisely. SolidWorks models are defined by 3D. SolidWorks uses a 3D design approach. As you design a part, from the initial sketch to the final result, you create a 3D model. From this model, you can create 2D drawings or make components consisting of parts or subassemblies to create 3D assembly. You can also create 2D drawings or 3D assemblies. When designing a model using SolidWorks, you can visualize it in 3 dimensions, the way the model exists once it is manufactured. Based on components, one of the most powerful features in the SolidWorks application is that any change you make to a part is reflected in all associated drawings or assemblies. Terminology of SolidWorks. These terms appear throughout the SolidWorks software and documentation. Origin appears as 2 red arrows and represents the 0 coordinate of the model. When a sketch is active, a sketch origin appears in red and represents the 0 coordinate of the sketch. You can add dimensions and relations to a model origin, but not to a sketch origin. Plane. Flat construction geometry. You can use planes for adding a 2D sketch, section view of a model, or a neutral plane in a draft feature. Axis. Straight line used to create model geometry, features, or patterns. You can create an axis in different ways, including intersecting 2 planes. Face. Boundaries that help define the shape of a model or a surface. A face is a selectable area planar or non-planar of a model or surface. For example, a rectangular solid has 6 faces. Edge. Location where 2 or more faces intersect and are joined together. You can select edges for sketching and dimensioning. Vertex. Point at which 2 or more lines or edges intersect. You can select vertices for sketching and dimensioning.